How do things move? What makes things go? A sailing ship on the ocean, perhaps? A toy car on a mat? How does it get from here to there? Do they do it by themselves? Or is it magic? Or is it something else? Aha! For an object to move from one place to another place, something else needs to move it. This something else is called a force. What is a force? A force can push an object, or a force can pull an object. We see forces act on all sorts of objects all the time and probably didn't even realise it. Here's some push forces. What about magnets? What force do they use, push or pull? They definitely use the pull force to attract metal objects to them. They pull or attract. But they also use the push force. They push other magnets away when their poles, north and south, are in the same direction. They push or repel each other. Some objects can use both push and pull forces. Remember, for a force to move an object, that force needs to be stronger than the weight of the object that you want to move. Let's think about some of your toys at home. What forces do they use to move? A push force like this? Another push force like this? What about a flotation force? Here's some push and pull forces. And a magnetic force. Now it's your turn. In small groups of 3 or 4, using our recycled objects, you will design a toy that uses forces to move. Whenever we use crafting items, safety first. Use and transport scissors correctly. Be careful with glue and other items, and never run. When your group has designed and built your toy, you'll need to test it to see if it works, and then you can show the class what forces your toy uses to move. Let's review what we know about forces. Forces move things. Forces must be bigger than the object. Some forces include push, pull, flotation, and magnetic. Can you think of any more?